Or ma'am, for this checklist, what I'll be doing is the chest physiotherapy and postural drainage. I'm gonna be doing the huffing, the coughing, as well as the chest vibration techniques. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna have to introduce ourselves to the client. At the same time, get legal data such as consent, and we're going to inform the client for what we will be doing to give the client confidence and not give anxiety to the client. So I'm going to introduce myself. Hi ma'am, my name is Jones Carbonilla. I'll be doing the post drainage technique on you, and I'll be touching you on some parts of your body. Is that okay? Okay. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna instruct the client to lay in supine. Can you lay down, ma'am? Okay. Comfortably. And upon laying down comfortably, we're going to be placing a pillow. This is position 3 to give the client comfort. Okay. And from there, the first technique, what we're going to be doing is, so for the first technique, it's called huffing. What you're going to do is you're going to instruct your client to inhale to the nose and exhale to the mouth. And imagine yourself blowing mist on a mirror. That's the technique. So do it 3 times and your mouth open. Go like this. 3 times. 1. So after huffing, the next technique that we're going to be doing is the coughing technique. So ma'am, here's how we're going to be doing coughing. So once breathing, if your client feels like she or he wants to cough, let the person cough. Next thing that we're going to be doing is the chest wall vibrations. So ma'am, we're going to be using this towel to avoid pressure while doing it on the chest. For chest wall vibrations, you're supposed to place the towel on top of the lung area. And what I'm gonna be doing is you're gonna inhale, and then I'm going to vibrate while you exhale. Okay, inhale one more time. Exhale. And once we're done with chest wall, we're going to do technique 2. After placing the towel on top, we're gonna also vibrate upon exhalation. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and that's how we do it. And after that, what we're going to be doing is we're gonna list down the data collected and the procedures done, and that's it. Okay.